Experiment 6. To study cleaning capacity of soap in soft and hard water. Aim of the experiment. To study the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water. Apparatus and materials required. 3 test tubes of 20 milliliters, dropper, test tube is stand, 3 beakers of 100 milliliters, 3 glass rods, a measuring cylinder of 50 milliliters, measuring scale, underground water, hard water, distilled water, soap solution. Procedure. Take 3 100 milliliters beakers and label them as A, B and C. Take 20 milliliters of distilled water in beaker A. In beaker B, take 20 milliliters of underground water. In beaker C, take 20 milliliters of hard water. Put 10 drops of soap solution in each beaker with a dropper and stir the contents of each beaker with separate glass rods. Place 3 test tubes in test tube is stand and label them as tubes A, B and C. Pour 5 ml of each of the above samples of water into the corresponding test tubes. Take test tube A and shake it 10 times by placing a thumb on its mouth. Foam or lather will be formed by shaking the test tube. Measure the length of the foam produced immediately with the help of a measuring scale. Similarly, repeat steps 6 and 7 with the remaining 2 samples. Result. Sample of soap in soft water produces more lather than the sample of soap in hard water. For cleaning purposes, lather is needed, therefore soap in soft water has better cleaning capacity as compared to soap in hard water.